What is up, YouTube? DJ K coming at you with another video, and I'm just want to talk briefly about the new MPC that I'm just seeing. It's just got released. Hold on, I'm gonna go to my browser here so we can see it. It's on Sweetwater right now. Sweetwater just uploaded a video, of course, of this thing. It's now shipping, and this is not to promote this, you know, because I'm not with Sweetwater. But my thing is, all it has new, from what I can see, is Wi-Fi. The storage looks like it got more storage, 16 gigabytes of storage, and it's got a new paint job pretty much. Is it worth buying? That's up to you. If you want to buy this thing, go right ahead. $699 is less than the, I don't know, I don't really get this either, but I don't know why it's less than the MPC one original. But it is the same drum machine pretty much, as we can see if we look at the specs here. Other than, like I said, the storage, you get more storage with it, and it's got Wi-Fi now. So, but I don't know, if you new to MPC, okay, I can see you might be buying this. If you ain't never had an MPC, then I can see people purchasing this MPC. But me personally, of course I'm not gonna get it. You know, I got my MPC Key, which is what you hear playing right now, Key 61 in the old MPC X. So there's no reason for me to buy this. Of course, look at it ain't got nothing on the back really, other than some main input, mains, and then some inputs, and so a few CV gates. Now I don't know the difference between this one and the other one. I would have to go to it and look at it to see, but it's not much on here. You know, is it worth buying? You got to be the judge of that. But from what I'm seeing, for me personally, when I would rather spend my money on outboard gear now. So that's what I'm gonna focus on. Shout out to EA Ski, because he's right about the, getting your sound right and spending money on something that you can actually sell later on, that holds value. This ain't finna hold no value. You already know this is not going to hold value. It's not. None of these MPCs are going to hold value. Even this key, this MPC Key 61 that I'm rocking with right here, it's not going to hold value. Why? For one, it's cheaply built. It's plastic. It's not like I got a board. I'm gonna show y'all this board. Let me see if I can find my phone. But I got a board that it'll hold value, basically, is what I'm gonna say. It will hold value. Let me see if I can get this thing to connect so I can show y'all. So here's the board right here. Look at the build on this board. It's made of wood, man. Look at that. Sequential Trigon 6. That's what this is. It's an expensive board though. It's about $3,700, something like that. But you can look at the build quality on this versus the build quality on this, and it's night and day, you see. And the sound, of course, I haven't really messed with this sequential that much. I haven't messed with it yet too much. It's a synthesizer, but you can, make your own sounds and all of that. But it doesn't have a sampler. But still, the build quality, it'll hold value. You can resell something like that and get not all your money back, but you can get a nice chunk of it back if you sell it. This thing here, you ain't gonna be able to sell it because they make it in bulk and it's cheaply built. And the one thing they really need to focus on more so than the putting out a bunch of MPCs is they need to get the software right to where it don't crash. Just make sure when you're making beats, make sure you save your tracks all the time, because you're gonna have issues. You're gonna have crashing problems if you run it in controller mode, especially when you're trying to load up other plugins and whatnot. So, but it's up to you. I'm not telling people don't buy it. I'm just saying Me personally, no, I'm not gonna buy it, of course. You know, hell no. I don't think it's even worth me buying at all. Drop a comment, let me know if you guys are gonna purchase it. I'm focusing on getting my outboard gear up. I want to get some Rupert Neve stuff up in here. I mean, I can't get everything Rupert Neve. I got some Heritage Audio stuff, which is kind of like some, you know, based on the Neve stuff, you know. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm gonna do with my cheese. I don't know what y'all gonna do with y'all. Shout out to everybody in the community. DJ K is out. Drop a comment, share the video, like it or whatever. Catch you on the next one.